Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Jane app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this easy step. So if you are an Android user, you should use your Google Play Store, and if you are an iOS user, you should use your Apple Store. So here I am my Android user, so I will just go to my Play Store. So here I will just click on left side top search button and search for the Jane app. So as you can see, so here we have the Jane app. As you can see, I will just click on here, then have to click on the install button, and it will automatically download and install the app on your device. So by this way you can do it, and if you scroll down you can see the ratings too, and you can also rate from here. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.